I was with you. I was where you are, and that is why the scariest ghost stories to me come from those who do not believe. This next story comes from a guy you wouldn't want to mess with. His name is Mirko Buchfeld. He's English, and just to give you a taste of why you don't want to mess with him, here's how he ended up in San Francisco.
I came here with a British karate team for the World Games in '89, and I've been here since.
So, Mirko is a big dude. 6'2", 240 pounds, 5th degree black belt professional karate master. But his ex-girlfriend, Kaylee, she
was actually scared to go home at night.
The karate master's scared of his own home. It started with small noise. Then falling mysteriously.
Good hunter. What a good hunter Mrs. Lady is, huh?
And then all of a sudden he would go, "Did you hear that?" And, "Yeah, did you hear it?"